50 most important MCQs in terms of history for class 10th. 1. Napoleon invades Italy and Napoleonic Wars begin in 1797. 2. Greek struggle for independence begins in 1821. 3. Unification of Italy was from 1859 to 1870. 4. Unification of Germany was from 1866 to 1871. 5. Slav nationalism gathers force in the Habsburg and Ottoman Empire in 1905. 6. Plebiscite means a direct vote by which all the people of a region are asked to accept or reject a proposal. 7. Absolutist institutions means literally, a government or system of rule that has no restraints on the power exercised. In history the term refers to a form of monarchical government that was centralized, militarized and repressive. 8. Utopian vision means a vision of a society that is so ideal that it is unlikely to actually exist. 9. Universal suffrage means the right to vote and suffragette means right to vote for women. 10. Conservatism means a political philosophy that stressed the importance of tradition, established institutions and customs, and preferred gradual development to quick change. 11. French Revolution occurred on the 14th of July 1789. 12. La patrie means the fatherland and le citoyen means the citizen. 13. Napoleon formed civil code usually known as Napoleonic Code in 1804. 14. Zollverein or custom union was formed by Prussia in 1834 to abolish tariff barriers. 15. Napoleon was defeated in Battle of Waterloo in 1815. 16. Vienna Congress held at Vienna under Duke Metternich formed Treaty of Vienna in 1815. 17. Duke Metternich described Mazzini as most dangerous enemy of our social order. 18. Duke Metternich once remarked, when France sneezes, the whole Europe catches cold. 19. Mazzini formed the secret society of Young Italy in Marseille in 1831. 20. Mazzini formed the secret society of Young Europe in Bern in 1833. 21. Treaty of Constantinople declared Greece as an independent nation in 1832. 22. ACT of Union was formed between Scotland and England in 1707 which resulted in the formation of United Kingdom of Great Britain. 23. Germany is the female allegory of Germany and Marianne is the female allegory of France. 24. Greek War of Independence began in 1821. 25. 831 participants participated in Frankfurt Parliament at St. Paul Church on the 18th of May 1848. 26. Landlords in Prussia were called Junkers. 27. Common people in Germany were called Dasvolk. 28. Nation or national character in Germany was called Volksgeist. 29. Habsburg rulers granted autonomy to Hungarians in 1867. 30. Otto von Bismarck played a leading role in unification of Germany. 31. On the 18th of January 1871 Kaiser William I of Prussia was proclaimed as German Emperor in the Hall of Mirrors in Palace of Versailles. 32. Aurobindo Ghosh was compared with Mazzini. 33. Anushilan Samiti and Yuganter Party were formed in 1902 and 1906 RESPECTIVALLY. These were two Indian secret societies. 34. V.D. Savarkar translated Mazzini's autobiography into Marathi. 35. Kathasaritsagar was a collection of folk tales by Somadeva in 11th century. 36. J.H. Knowles was a British missionary who started to collect the folk tales in Kashmiri at the end of 19th century. 37. The storytelling traditions and performances in Kashmiri Laadi Shah, Bhand Pather, Dastan Go. 38. Shali system was an unorganized rice distribution system in Kashmir under the monopoly of money lenders. 39. B.C. Hugel, an Australian explorer visited Kashmir in 1849 and wrote a book, Travels in Kashmir and Punjab. 40. SHALBAFS were workers and laborers in shawl manufacturing workshops. 41. State of Jammu and Kashmir emerged on the 16th of March 1846 by the Treaty of Amritsar between Maharaja Gulab Singh and Representatives of Lord Hardinge. 42. General Zorawar Singh conquest Ladakh in 1834 and Baltistan and Tibet in 1841. 43. INC was formed in December 1885 BY. A. O Hame. 44. W.C. Banerjee was the first president of INC. 45. Ghulam Ahmad Maju wrote, Our country is like a garden. 46. Abdul Ahad Azad wrote, The river, the waterfall and the stars. 47. Quit India movement was launched on the 8th of August 1942. 48. Ideology means system of ideas reflecting a particular social and political vision. 49. 262 students from Jammu College, Prince of Wales College, attended a meeting at Gujranwala in Punjab on the 31st of March 1931. 50. Naya Kashmir Manifesto was adopted on the 29th of September 1944.